Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll tell you about how to set up enhanced conversions in Google Ads. If you want to boost your conversion tracking, then setting up enhanced conversions in Google Ads is quick and easy. Let's walk through the steps. First, log into your Google Ads account and click on the goals icon. Next, go to Conversions section and click on Settings. Now expand the Enhanced Conversions section and check the box to turn on Enhanced Conversions for web. You will need to review and agree to the compliance statement before proceeding. Click Agree and Continue. Now choose a method to manage user-provided data. Select Google Tag for automatic tracking. If you're not sure which tagging method to use, click Which method should I use. Enter your website domain and check the recommended setup. If your tag is already set up for data collection, you can simply click Save to complete the setup. Want more control? You can manually specify CSS selectors, JavaScript variables, or add a code snippet for better accuracy. Once setup is complete, validate your implementation to ensure data is being captured correctly. After about 30 days, you will see the impact or enhanced conversions in your reports, giving you better insights and optimized ad performance. And that's it. Now your Google Ads account is set up for enhanced conversions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more digital marketing tips.